When I first began learning correct sentence structure, communication, parse, syntax, grammar, also known as quantum grammar, I was introduced to this sentence. For the bridge is over the water. And as a teaching tool, I was told that this could be written backwards and mean the same thing as forwards. And the demonstration I was given was that it was written backwards like this. For the water is under the bridge. And it really went a long way to allow me to wrap my mind around what was going on in quantum in a general sense, in an abstract sense. However, once I learned the mechanics and I came back to this, I realized that this does not give closure and it is actually incorrect. This is not writing this backwards using quantum grammar mechanics. And I will show you. In quantum grammar mechanics, the positionals have congruent counterparts. For example, the counterpart that is congruent with for would be by. We start with for in all of our sentences. Okay? But in this sentence, because there's only one positional allodial fact phrase before the verb and one after the verb, we don't do that because this needs to come first. Whatever positional counterpart that is congruent to over must come first now because we're writing this backwards in the quantum grammar mechanics. The only positional that I can think of that is congruent or a counterpart of over would be this. Under. So we're writing this backwards now. So now we're saying under the water is, and then what is congruent with for? The positional by. By, and then our allodial, and then our fact. So this, written backwards, is under the water is by the bridge. So I'm just giving closure on this to myself and hopefully others who had an issue with this that confuses them. As a teaching tool, it was valuable to me to learn that, to start to wrap my head around how positionals float, so to speak, in the correct sentence structure. But as I went on, it confused me, and so that's why I'm doing this video, to give closure to those who may be confused by this example. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me in the confidential at my email address listed in the description below the video. I also have a Facebook group. I'll leave a link to that down there. And thanks for watching.